LSRSI glows on run, remains glowing. Ignore LSRSI clear block section. On arrival at next station, stop the train. Open DJ, VCB, lower pantograph and put HBA on 0. Observe LSGRPT, LSOL in MU consist. Check the telltale fuses. If up to 3 fuses are melted in the same arm, remove the melted telltale fuses. Resume traction after LSRSI is extinguished. If more than 3 fuses are melted in same arm, remove the melted telltale fuses. Isolate the block by putting corresponding HVSI, HVMT and HVSL on 0. If load permits, resume traction. If load does not permit, contact LC. If no fuse is melted, ignore the glowing of LSRSI, enter in the Loco logbook, inform LC, resume traction.